Warning, your pressure washer might be weaker than a garden hose. We took 17 top models to the dirtiest extreme tests. What we discovered will change how you clean forever. The number 2 pick? So powerful it's banned overseas. All purchase links below. Prepare to have your mind blown. Starting at number 1. Sun Joe 2030 Max. Best overall. Looking for an affordable pressure washer that's up for most exterior cleaning tasks? Our experts tapped this Sun Joe as our best overall option. In addition to the excellent price, it's one of the lightest models we tested, weighing in at 24.3 pounds. So it was quite easy to move around in our tests. As for performance, it delivers 2030 psi, with a maximum flow rate of 1.76 GPM. During our testing, we liked that the dual detergent tanks could house separate cleaning solvents. It's helpful to be able to switch easily between the two, since you might not want to use the same cleaner on your car as you use for the deck. Meanwhile, the 5 Quick Connect spray tips allow for versatility so you can complete an array of cleaning tasks, from decking and siding to cars and boats. One quibble from our testers was the relatively short 20-foot hose, which limits the reach on large properties. Number 2. RYOBI 1900 PSI Pressure Washer. Best value. This is another well-priced pressure washer to consider, along with the best overall Sun Joe. With a modest 1900 psi and 1.2 GPM, the machine is best for smaller jobs, like clearing dirt and mildew from your deck or washing your car. The telescoping handle and lightweight 22.7-pound construction make for easy handling. We also like the compact design and vertical storage, both of which we noted during our testing. It's a nice feature if space in the shed or garage is limited, one tester said. We wish it included more than 3 nozzle tips, but RYOBI offers a wide variety of pressure washer attachments to make cleaning your car, windows, or patios much more effective. For gentle cleaning jobs, this pressure washer stands out as one of our favorites, but opt for a stronger model for tougher jobs like cleaning driveways or fences. Number 3. Greenworks Pro Brushless 3000 PSI Pressure Washer. Best heavy duty. At 3000 psi, this is the most powerful electric pressure washer we have ever tested. Some gas-powered models get up above 4000 psi. It's a serious piece of power equipment, one tester noted. Extremely durable, and enough power to blast through our toughest tests, including cleaning a brick patio covered in several years of mildew and muck. Though the Greenworks unit is up for any task, our experts caution that it's more of a commitment than most pressure washers. For starters, it's on the expensive side. It also took a full hour to assemble, compared with the 5 minutes or less of simpler models. And even with the wheeled design, transporting the 52-pound machine takes brawn, and finding room to store it could be even trickier. If none of those issues are deal breakers for you, the Greenworks will not disappoint when it comes to cleaning power and easy, intuitive operation. Our testers were also impressed by the relatively quiet operation of the brushless motor, especially since the pressure washer packs so much oomph. There are plenty of accessories and even onboard tool storage. Number 4. Craftsman V21500 PSI Pressure Washer. Best battery only. Battery-powered operation is a relatively new development in the pressure washer category. Other power tools we've tested in the home improvement and outdoor lab have run on batteries for years now with impressive results. We anticipate the same for pressure washers. The Craftsman is an example of the possibilities. While the first cordless pressure washers maxed out around 500 psi, the Craftsman boasts 1500 psi, so it can tackle tougher jobs like cleaning decks and fences, though it might struggle with the most stubborn tasks, like an oil-stained concrete driveway. Not having to contend with a power cord is a nice convenience, plus it has an onboard detergent tank. The device goes even further with a self-priming mode and suction hose that lets you draw from any freshwater source, including a bucket filled with water from the tap. A 5-gallon bucket was enough water to pressure wash an entire SUV, running the equipment for close to 20 minutes on low speed, one tester said. The total runtime of the twin 20-volt batteries is about an hour on low speed and about half as long on high speed. As a result, our experts say the Craftsman is best for quick, light-duty cleaning tasks. Number 5. Craftsman 1900 PSI Electric Pressure Washer. The Craftsman CMEP 1900 VA stands out as the overall best pressure washer we've tested, with an impressive balance of performance, ease of use, and value. It's similar in capabilities to my first pressure washer that I still use for small tasks, like refreshing my patio furniture and blasting grass from the deck of my riding mower, and it cleans a wide variety of surfaces thoroughly and safely without damaging more delicate objects. It's easy enough to set up and use, making it perfect for beginners and new homeowners who haven't used a pressure washer before. While this isn't the most powerful pressure washer we've tested, we've learned most jobs we're doing at home don't actually need that extra power. With a maximum pressure of 1,900 psi, 3 nozzles, and a surface cleaner accessory, this pressure washer handles stubborn leaf remains on our sidewalks and more sensitive surfaces like vehicle paint alike. So, which of these cleaning beasts are you taking home? Drop your pick in the comments. If we saved you from a bad buy, power wash that like button, share with anyone who hates cleaning, and subscribe because next week, we're testing these on 10-year-old driveways. All links in description. Stay clean.